everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on my brother's keeper from the 25th to the 29th of December 2023 on Monday. Elders advise Fakazile to report a pregnancy to Nomusa. Donga has a lonely, miserable Christmas. An unexpected visitor joins Mama Yila for Christmas lunch on Tuesday. Nomusa learns the truth. Fakazile regret crossing path with Ngubeko. Mam Sarah learns Paledi is there to stay on Wednesday. Mshengu has a solution to the infidelity mess as always. Nomusa feels betrayed by her confident Mam Sarah find out the truth about a particular short-term visitor on Thursday. Mshengu's solution does more damage than good for Nomusa and Fakazile. Sibusiso discovers a secret that may just break heart in their home. Paledi has a crush on someone out of his league on Friday. Ngubeko calls Nomusa and Fakazile and present them with a bombshell of a proposal. Donga has Sibusiso of a proposal. Donga has Sibusiso gets him money from the loan shark. Sibusiso confronted Lwetu and Hlelo about faking their results. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.